My Tootsies are so not used to this anymore. It has been a long, dark road with my poor feet. Woo! Frugal friends, we are getting towards the end of Frugal Mama's birthday week. And we are going to finish it off with a few fabulous products that I am so excited to try out and to show you, and that I think are absolutely perfect right now, in this instance, in this situation, with the Frugal family. And especially with me. I will only be reviewing one of the items here on the Frugal Family channel. I will be going more in depth with this item and several related products over on my unfiltered, uncensored, grown-up channel, Frugal Mama's Time Out. It's gonna be fun. I do hope you're subscribed over there. We get to get a little bit looser over there. It gets wacky. You've been warned. But the last thing that we are doing, that I am doing for myself, for my birthday week, is a series of foot care product review videos, demonstrations, where we are going to try out these foot care products after this long journey with my foot. You guys know I broke it in 2 places, was misdiagnosed for 6 months. Then my foot was dying. I had to have complete foot reconstructive surgery. I still have almost 6 months of recovery time left, but I'm at a point, hallelujah, finally, where I can start loving my feet, showing them my appreciation, prettying them up, relaxing them, massaging them. That brings us to today's item, a fabulous foot massager. There will be a link in the video description for this item with the best possible price available. Let's open it up, set it up. I'm going to put on one of my favorite pair of socks because we want to make this fun, but also make sure that you are subscribed over at Frugal Mama's Time Out so that you get the rest of this fabulous foot care series of videos and products. I'm going to be having a lot of fun over there, and I would love for you to be part of it. Okay, let's set this up. Okay, darlings, this is the MOUNTRAX foot massager with remote control. So we've got power settings here, but also there should be a remote in here somewhere. That's the cord and plug. That's the silica gel. Oh, there's our remote. Okay, and more silica gel. So, okay, we've got a remote here. I wonder if it'll already have the batteries in it. Maybe, maybe not. What I really like immediately about this foot massager versus one that we were sent a couple years ago is the size. The other one, it was like narrower, but it was really wide, and so it was difficult to store. It took up a lot of space. I don't see this one taking up that kind of space. If we had it down like this, or even you could turn it up on the side like so, and it would be really easy to store and not take up too much space, which you guys know has been a major theme in our house for the last several months as we have decluttered, cleared out, cleaned out, gotten organized, prioritized, and started utilizing our space better. Things like this that can be therapeutic, bring joy, pleasure, and comfort to these poor feet, specifically this one. Well, they've both been through the ringer this year. Things that don't take up too much space, that are good quality, and that will help make life a little happier, a little more comfortable. Hey, those are the kinds of things that we want. Good news, and another point for MOUNTRAX, I had to pull a tab out of the remote, which means it's got batteries. Your power cord adapter is going to plug in here on the side, and just flipping this over to plug this in, I noticed just how lightweight this is, which is fantastic. Again, the last one that we had from a different brand, a different sponsor, that one was really heavy. This one, it is so light, and for those of us who are physically challenged, have severe arthritis, and all kinds of fun problems, and are not allowed to carry anything very heavy, hey, another point for MOUNTRAX. Let's plug this in. I am so ready. Oh my goodness, I am so ready. Let me see. Here we go. Okay, then we've got our panel with some protective film over it. Okay, one quick note, and I'm not saying this is a point against MOUNTRAX, but I would like a longer cord. You know that when Frugal Mama reviews an item, sponsored or one that we pay for, you are going to get the honest truth. You can count on me making you aware of that and including it in our very thorough, honest product reviews. I've got my remote right here. The machine is blinking at me. Let's see. Power. Okay. Ooh, tell you, I have been really nervous, afraid that, you know, it was going to hurt or whatever, as I have almost 6 months left in my full recovery from foot reconstruction. I was worried about it. This feels great. Now, it starts out, of course, just on a nice and low, you can see low, medium, high, with some kneading, some heat. It doesn't look like the air compression is on. Let's see. Ooh. Maybe it is, and now I've just raised it to medium. I think so. You've got these 15 and 30 minute timers on here. I don't think I'm going to worry about setting a timer. I think I'm just going to sit here and enjoy this. Another benefit is that it will help break up the scar tissue from my 3 incisions. My fabulous doctor, sorry, Dr. Stoddard, I have not been doing what you told me, at least not nearly as often as I'm supposed to, the simple massage to break up the scar tissue. I just haven't. But this machine hopefully is going to do it for me. Yes, I will work on doing it myself and doing what I'm supposed to. But if I can do it here with the MOUNTRAX as well, hey, that's even better. Oh, it feels good. You know what? I'm going to up the pressure. Ooh, there's the kneading. Then let's see, not the heat. I don't want it any hotter. Let's see. I'm fine with the, you know, where it's at, the temperature it's at. But let's see, what is it? Oh, did that turn it off? That's low, that's medium. Okay, there we go. That's high for the air compression. Now let's go high on the kneading. Ooh, that feels good. And you can sink your feet in even further, and that's even better.
Scrumptious.
If you have sensitive feet, I think this is definitely a good model for you. The deeper you push your feet in there, the more you're going to feel it. Let's see. Well, let's go to medium and give that a try. Oh my goodness. My feet have not, been worked like this in a while. Oh my goodness. The further you stick your feet in there, oh boy, that's where the massage really picks up. My tootsies are so not used to this anymore. It has been a long, dark road with my poor feet. Woo! As we celebrate the last of Frugal Mama's birthday week over on Frugal Mama's Timeout, my grown-up, uncensored, unfiltered channel. I hope to see you all there. There will be a link for this fabulous massager in the video description. Thank you, MOUNTRAX. Thank you, MOUNTRAX, for this amazing foot massager. It is just exactly what these poor suffering feet needed. Thank you so much. And thank you, Frugal friends, for watching this product review. And for a more thorough look at this and several other fabulous foot care products, be sure to hop over to Frugal Mama's Timeout. You have been warned. It is uncensored and unfiltered. It's a little bit crazy, a little bit loose, but a lot of fun. I do hope to see you over there. Have a beautiful day. We'll see you all real soon.